Who do we have? Oh my God. Who's that? Oh, that's a largie. Yeah. All right. Oh my. Oh, I had to try something new. Oh, look at this. First cast. I didn't even turn the camera on. I thought I was just gonna try and oh boy. Alright, I guess a full moon is a good sign. Everything is biting today. Bass, Oscars, cichlids. Everybody's on a tear. See if I can catch a couple of more larges, and then I'm gonna move on to catch some more of the cichlids. Oh boy, who in a life was that? Huh. I don't feel like a bass. Oh boy, they destroyed my hook. I mean my worm. Ay, 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 ay. Alright, let's see, I'll make it shorter. I wonder who was it? It was a heavy fish. Maybe mudfish. That's what it looked like. I saw the shadow, but not the ah, that's who he was. Look at this. Look at this monster. That's what it was. Hello. Okay, well, there's some grass on the other side. And that's where their largies are. Little ones. But hey, huh? Somebody's already biting. No? Huh. Another largie. Oh, right here. You discharge right in front of the camera. Nice. Nice. Oh boy. Alright. I'm at a new spot. Looks a little different. We'll see if I can catch something here. It's a different bottom, so I'm not sure about this, but let's see. Oh, I got myself hooked. All right, first fish is on the board, and it's a big one. Ay, 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 ay. Those treble hooks are definitely not a joke. Oh, huh, that was a bite. That was quick. Somebody's trying. Come on, boys. Nope. Okay, no cichlids, but at least there's bass. Oh my god, look at this. Ah. Somebody had fun with it. Oh my. Destroyed my worm. I'm not gonna change it for now. It's because it looked like the smaller presentation worked in the morning. So that's why I'm running it small now. So I mean, it's been working. And come on, if there's anybody already here, I'm gonna miss all the action. Somebody's biting. Ugh. Got him. Got him. Largy. Feels like it. Not that big. But come here. Where are you going? Into the rocks? Yep. Largy. Yes, sir. Ay, 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 ay. Don't tell me you freaking choked it. You did, huh? You dummy. Well, hopefully it's not that bad. Well, unfortunately, I couldn't get the hook out. He was too small. I just couldn't turn that hook inside so I can take it out safely. So I went into my cooler. It wasn't intended to, but it is what it is. Alright, so let's try the green pumpkin. It's a little bigger. Let's see if a bigger presentation. Maybe they won't be able to choke it. Yep. Ah, nope, missed it too early. Huh. So now, after he choked it, I'm jumping a gun. Then again, it could have been a smaller. Just I felt the bite. Boom, boom. Huh. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you wait for too long and they just get it all the way. Sometimes it's nothing in the middle. They're right in those lily pads. If I can send it there close to the, get a bite right away. If not, Oh. Oh, I got a bass? No. Yeah, I got something. Don't tell me it's a turtle. God. It's a bass. Oh my God. It's weird. Oh, wait, I hooked him. Don't tell me I got hooked it again. God. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a big one. Oh my God. What is... That's not... Come here. Oh. Ooh. Big mama. Big mama. No, no. I gotcha. All right. Huh. All right. Come here. Let me hook you. Oh, this day turns out to be pretty good. Look at this. Look at this. That's a nice chunk. Look at this. Big worm, bigger fish. It's got a hump. Okay, let's let you go. Oh my, I'm not the first one who caught you, huh? Alright, well, establish the pattern for bass as well. New spot, another small, large. Huh. They're getting away on their own. Oh well. A catch is a catch. Oh, I got somebody. Oh, come on. Come on. Again? What is the story today? Somebody's biting the tail. What the hell is this? I didn't even feel it. And he got off again. What the freak is this? Now I see. Alright, that's why. That's a crazy freaking... Yeah. Stop this nonsense. Bowfin. That's why. It was a crazy bite. Come here, buddy. Alright, now let me try to get the hook out of you. They have teeth. Whew. It's a small one though. But how the hell did you get yourself in? Upside down. Look at those. Barbed wires, huh? Man. All right, so skin hooked. Go, go, go. Well, he's in the water. I'm sure he'll find a way out. Yeah, wrong side. Come on, go to the other way. There you go, there he goes. Something different. All kinds of fish today. We got spotted sunfish, cichlids, Oscar, bass, bowfin. Nice day. All kinds of different stuff.